Adobo. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. I love you because you're perfect with steamed white rice. And that I can put as much garlic as my heart desires. I love you for your versatility, that you can be made with chicken, pork, or even tofu. I love how simple ingredients like soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, fresh peppercorns, garlic, and bay leaves can create such a delicious sauce that can rival even the best sauces in the world. I love how having a spoonful of adobo reminds me so much of my childhood. Adobo without white rice is like Romeo without his Juliet. Patience is a virtue, so you have to let everything marinate for 24 hours. I'm using vegetable oil to sear the chicken legs and thighs, 3 minutes on each side. After searing the chicken legs and thighs, you have to set it aside. With the remaining oil in the pan, pour the rest of your marinade and allow to simmer. Reduce your heat to low and allow the marinade to simmer for at least 25 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Turning your chicken into the pan of simmering sauce makes the chicken more flavorful. Drizzle some adobo sauce over your hot white rice and enjoy your lunch or dinner. Mula sa aking munting kusina, magandang araw at maraming salamat.